In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned pro familiar with bookkeeping or just diving into the world of business management, knowing how to efficiently handle purchase orders can streamline your operations and enhance your relationship with vendors. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. I'd recommend using Google Chrome for a smooth experience, as QuickBooks Online tends to run most effectively on this platform. Once your browser is open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up, but for today's tutorial, we'll assume you already have this sorted. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll notice a variety of options. What we want to do is click on the option labeled Plus New, which is represented by a plus icon. This is essentially your starting point for creating any new transaction in QuickBooks, and it will present you with a range of options to choose from. Now, under the section labeled Vendors, you'll see an option for Purchase Order. Select this to begin creating your purchase order. Choosing this will bring up a template where you'll be able to input all the necessary information for your order. Next, you need to choose your vendor. In the vendor field, select the vendor you'd like to send the purchase order to. If your vendor isn't listed, you may need to add them to your contacts, but we'll assume that step is already done for this tutorial. Now fill in the purchase order date. This is simply the date you're creating the order. There's also an optional field for the expected delivery date. Although it's optional, filling it out can help streamline your workflow and assist your vendor in understanding your timeline. After this, you'll want to enter the product or service items you're ordering. This includes details such as quantity, rate, and the total amount. These fields help you keep track of how much you're spending and ensure that you have all the details in one place. Finally, there's a section for any memos or messages you might want to include. This is where you can add personal touches or specific instructions that are important for your vendor to know. Before you finalize, make sure to review all the entered details carefully to ensure accuracy. A few minutes spent double checking now can save you from headaches later. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, you have two choices. Click Save and Send to immediately email the purchase order to your vendor. Or if you're not ready to send it just yet, you can click Save and Close to store it and send it later when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully created and prepared a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching.